Sonidos. They join us on set and they're heating things up this morning. Welcome back to the show. It's not your first time, not your second or third or 15th time probably by now. How are you guys doing?
Good morning. Thank you. Thank you for having us.
All right, so I have with me Kaisha Jones and Kenika Quash.
Yes.
You all are going to be talking on behalf of the group.
Yes.
I understand you're celebrating 10 years this year. Congratulations.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Yes.
Kaisha, how would you say the journey has been so far?
It has been a rewarding one. It's the seasons, all of our seasons has been packed with performances and gigs. But if it's one thing that we love it, we have a passion for it, so we never get tired of it, I will say, me at least. So it's rewarding, it's fulfilling. It's educational as well, you know, meeting new people all the time.
Educational, you say?
Yeah.
How so?
Meeting different people from different, all parts of Trinidad and Tobago, different cultures, different corporates, offices, you know, like that. So.
All right, so Kenika, you all play parang all year round?
Well,
why are you so dramatic?
Parang is a lifestyle.
Oh!
It's a lifestyle.
Well,
so
look at
yes,
you.
we sing parang all year round. We actually started practice from, well, I know Joseph started practice from as early as January. And this was after Lewa, which
Right.
is August, January 6th.
Okay.
So he started after that, during
That's
Carnival.
supposed to be the end of the
Yeah, during
parang of
Carnival,
Christmas.
Joseph was sending me
Well,
mandolin
you know,
playing.
the thing
So-
is, right, that Joseph playing the box bass. And I don't know if you realize, but that's a real hard instrument to play.
And that's actually not his instrument.
You see? So how you have not practice?
His instrument is mandolin. So he's been practicing mandolin. But
Okay.
yeah, we sing all throughout the year. As long as you need us, we there and we're ready to sing.
What does Los Sonidos mean?
The sound.
The sound.
Yeah,
Sorry,
the
I don't
sound.
talk Spanish. Yeah, forgive me.
sounds.
All right. Tell me how you're celebrating the 10-year anniversary.
So we are having a show, La Dedicacion. It's what does it mean? The dedication. We're dedicating this show to the past 10 years to all who would have supported us throughout the 10 years. And we're also dedicating it to one of our band members who passed away last October. So we're dedicating it to him as well. And yeah, that's what the show is about.
In terms of the band itself, Kenika, what would you say some of the milestone achievements over the last 10 years have been?
Well, firstly, just being here and being able to celebrate 10 years. It's actually 11 years this year. But obviously, we're trying to have our 10-year celebration
I
because we
thought you were
couldn't
just
do it
minus
last
in
year.
the COVID years.
No,
and I thought
we
you were just saying
we couldn't
them.
have it last year due to the loss
Right.
of our bandmate.
Right.
So just getting to this point and being together for this long, Kaisha and I have actually been singing since primary school together, parang. So that's probably about 20 years singing parang.
Don't tell them your age.
Yeah.
Don't give it away. Don't give it away.
Yeah, but just coming this way, we also were the champions in secondary school
Right.
of the National Junior Parang competition twice, 2
Nice.
years in a row.
Nice.
So that's also another achievement, and we're also members of the National Parang Association. So all of those are milestones.
Definitely. All right, so we're celebrating, and it's happening the 23rd of July.
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
Where is it happening, and what's the
At-
price? What's the time? Give me all the full details.
So it's happening at Mille Fleur, one of the 7 magnificent buildings around the Savannah. It starts at 3 p.m. We have some of the best bands, the top bands in Trinidad and Tobago. Gonna list it out. We have Los Alumnos de San Juan. We have Los Buenos Paranderos. We have Voces Jóvenes, Voces de Promesa, BB Serenaders, and
Cantadores.
Los Amigos Cantadores.
I'm not going to say don't leave out nobody. Then if you try to list out names, you have to call
And of
everybody.
course, Los Sonidos.
And Los
And of
Sonidos,
course, Los
of course. Tell me about the relationship. I mean, you have all of these other parang bands joining you to celebrate La Dedicacion.
Correct.
Look at me.
Correct.
But tell me about the relationship in the parang fraternity. I mean, it's July. We know we do Christmas in July. People like to do Christmas in July. And we're doing so on Super 100 as well. But tell me about the relationship that you guys have in the parang fraternity.
So, firstly, Parang is a very close-knit, the fraternity, the Parang fraternity is very close-knit, but Parang in itself is something that draws people together naturally. So even if you're not a member of a Parang band, if you come to a Parang, people will embrace you and people will have you there next to them, holding them beside you, and everybody dancing together, just like if you go to somewhere for carnival, right? But we definitely have all of these bands. They've been looking out for us from since we were in primary school. I remember singing in primary school with Los Alumnos, with Alicia, across in the in in the church. And also, like, all of those bands been there throughout secondary school with us as well, pulling us along, helping us when we were going to competition, helping us with lyrics, and all of those things. So it's very, very close.
So some of them have literally seen you all grow up and come to be the proper parang.
Some of them have grown with us as well.
Yeah.
We have other young bands, BB Sonidos, and Voces de Promesa as well.
All right, Kaisha, I'm curious as to what made you say I want to do parang.
Well, my family, I have an uncle who is part of Los Tocodores, which is a famous parang band. And every time my family gets together, there's always parang. So I had it I knew it from since baby.
It's in your blood.
Love it. And yeah.
And you, Kanika?
I don't know, just since primary school, a teacher walked up to me. I can't remember who it was, Miss Lanton probably, or Miss Taylor, walked up to me and was like, hey, do you want to join parang? And I was like, all right, cool, I would join. Just being like in primary school, I want to be in everything. Yeah. And since then, I just was in everything with parang, in music festival and all of those things.
Just get hooked.
Yeah, does
Tell
the
me about the
University
relationship
of
in the
Arima
band.
girls?
Are they always cool? Or they just fall out and thing?
No,
I see in Jade face. Jade only smiling. Every time I ask certain questions, Jade only smiling in the back there.
No, we have, I will say they are my brothers and sisters. I love them to death.
That means there's real fight.
We have our times.
When you say brothers and sisters, that means there's real fight.
It have times where things get a little tense.
As they should, because you're not all passionate about this, right?
But that builds our relationships. It builds our closeness as a band. But yeah, I love them. I grew up, we've been 10 years and more with them. Same set of people. Nobody changed.
And Joseph, day job dog anyway?
No.
Everybody
have one. Everybody have one. Fantastic. Guys, I want you all to give us another piece of music to get to the top of the hour, if that's all right with you all.
No problem.
All right, no problem. So, ladies and gentlemen, it is happening on the 23rd of July at 9 p.m. Wait, how much are tickets?
It is $200 for tickets.
$200. Where they get tickets?
You can get it at the office of the National Trust, which is at Millfleur, or any member of Los Sonidos. You can also follow our Instagram, which is Los_Sonidos. Los.Sonidos, sorry.
Los.Sonidos.
And also on Facebook, all our contact information is there.
Fantastic. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I want to encourage each and every one of you to go out there and make a difference today now, because together we aspire, and if together we perspire, then together we most definitely can achieve. On behalf of all of us here at the Now Morning Show, Kimberly D'Souza, Natasha Lake, I'm Ruckus, wishing you a fantastic day. DK Roster has our major network news coming up at the top of the hour. But before we get there, Los Sonidos get ready to celebrate their 10-year anniversary. Take it away, guys.
Guarapo a mediodía, guarapo a toda hora, como si fuera comida. Guarapo por la mañana, guarapo a mediodía, guarapo a toda hora, como si fuera comida. Es tiempo de caño, pero usted puso babosa, porque le mete la mano, él en el calabozo. Es tiempo de caño, pero usted puso babosa, porque le mete la mano, él en el calabozo. Guarapo por la mañana, guarapo a mediodía, guarapo a toda hora, como si fuera comida. Guarapo por la mañana, guarapo a mediodía, guarapo a toda hora, como si fuera comida. Ahora no canto yo como yo siempre cantaba, se me acaba la voz pero me queda la fama. Ahora no canto yo como yo siempre cantaba, se me acaba la voz pero me queda la fama. Guarapo por la mañana, guarapo a mediodía, guarapo a toda hora, como si fuera comida. Guarapo por la mañana, guarapo a mediodía, guarapo a toda hora, como si fuera comida. Ay, 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 como no voy a llorar. Una suavidad tengo y me la quieren quitar. Ay, 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 como no voy a llorar. Una suavidad tengo y me la quieren quitar. Guarapo por la mañana, guarapo a mediodía, guarapo a toda hora, como si fuera comida. Guarapo por la mañana, guarapo a mediodía, guarapo a toda hora, como si fuera comida. Guarapo por la mañana, guarapo a mediodía, guarapo a toda hora, como si fuera comida. Guarapo por la mañana, guarapo a mediodía, guarapo a toda hora, como si fuera comida.
Give me something else now. If you don't know, we celebrated 10 years, you know. What's your for me?
Nunca pequeña le gustaste. Oh, pequeña le